Let's kick off with football. In less than 24 hours, the Reggae Boyz will be searching for their third win in League B of the CONCACAF Nations League as they host world number 195, Aruba, at the National Stadium. Simon Preston gives us a preview.
Aruba has been without a win since September 2018, and after back-to-back losses to Guyana and Antigua and Barbuda, the Dutch island is at the foot of the table without a point. Despite their woeful form, Reggae Boyz head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore is looking to add another dent in their campaign.
We don't want to take anything for granted. We don't want to leave any stone unturned. So despite if they are down, all we need to do keep them down. So our approach is gonna be the same. Or we approach the last two games, are even better.
Another 2 wins would secure Jamaica's passage to the 2021 edition of the CONCACAF Gold Cup and move another step closer to League A qualification. But Whitmore is not looking that far just yet.
We have 4 games to play. We want to take it one game at a time, and Aruba back-to-back is in our way, so we want to get past them, and then we look to Antigua and Guyana before we can say, because again, once any country playing against Jamaica, it tends to be tough, so basically we have to just prepare ourselves both physically and mentally going into this encounter.
Whitmore will be relying on the depth of the squad, as the unit will be without Bobby Reid, Leon Bailey and Peter Lee Vassell for the next 2 games.
This is why I always stress about the polar players. Unfortunately, Bobby Reid is not here. Just a little niggle where his back is concerned. You have seen he haven't featured much in the last game with Fulham as well. And then we played Tuesday on the AstroTurf, which he can't manage. So that's the reason for Bobby Reid out. Leon Bailey is out again, and Peter Lee Vassell. But again, it opened door for other players to come and show what they have and show that they deserve a spot in the team.
But one player who is available for selection is Adrian Mariappa, who is closing in on his 50th international cap.
It's good when you have players of that magnitude, so we always welcome Mariappa.
The last time both teams met was in 1997, and Jamaica won that game by 6-0. Kickoff is at 5 o'clock. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.